In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Facebook pixel on your WordPress site efficiently and effectively. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just getting started, this guide will walk you through each step in a straightforward manner to ensure you can easily track and measure your website's performance. Let's dive right in by first heading over to WordPress. Open your web browser and navigate to wordpress.com. This is the hub where all the magic happens, and it's where you'll kick off this process. If you haven't logged in yet, find the Login button in the top right corner of the page and click on it. Enter your credentials to access your WordPress account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the WordPress dashboard, which acts as the control center for your site. From the dashboard, you want to locate and click on the Plugins tab. Plugins are essential tools that add extra functionality to your website, like adding a Facebook pixel. Next, within the Plugins section, look for an option to Add New. This is where you'll be able to search for, install, and activate new plugins to expand what your website can do. Type Pixel Your Site into the search bar. Pixel Your Site is a highly trusted plugin that's specifically designed to integrate tracking pixels, including Facebook's, seamlessly into your WordPress site. Upon seeing the search results, identify Pixel Your Site, your Smart Pixel plugin. This is the one you're looking for. Click on it to view more details if needed, but most importantly, click on the Install Now button to begin the installation process. After the installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. This step ensures that Pixel Your Site is ready to be customized for your needs. With the plugin now active, you've successfully set it up to start integrating your Facebook pixel into your WordPress site. One thing to keep in mind is that while this setup installs the Pixel Your Site plugin, you'll still need to configure it with your specific Facebook pixel ID. This ID connects your WordPress site to your Facebook business account, ensuring that all data collected by the pixel is reflected accurately in your analytics. And that's it. You're all set. By following these instructions, you've added a powerful tool to your WordPress site that will help you track user behavior and optimize your online presence more effectively. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find this setup beneficial for enhancing your website's performance. Happy tracking!